Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2023 INFINITI QX55 LUXE. This one's probably my favorite color combo we've received so far. White on stone, specifically majestic white over stone. Now I've done a video on the changes for the 2023 QX55. If you check my channel, the QX55 Sensory, I go over every little change. Biggest change I would say is 3 years free maintenance. Yes, 3 years free maintenance. Alright. 2-liter variable compression turbocharged motor, 268 horsepower, 280 pound-feet of torque. 55 is based on the same platform as the QX50, but it features design reminiscent of the QX70 with your sloped back coupe design. I do love the stone interior. We've received one of these, a twin of this car so far, and it sold the day it landed. So, I completely expect this car to be sold today, which is why I wanted to feature it as soon as it landed. I mean, the car came off the truck yesterday. So, it's about as fresh as you can get. I mean, look at that. It's just, oh, it's awesome. And of course, in your Sensory, this section here is suede. In your QX50 Autograph, this is all suede too. And I wouldn't be surprised if they had a 55 Autograph at some point, just not yet. Let's see, LUXE, you have standard backup camera. LUXE is your entry-level 55. This one has cargo pack, that's about it. With a as-tested price of $51,615. I will say, as an entry-level version, obviously you don't have the Bose stereo. The sound system is still good. I mean, obviously I spent the night, I drove this home last night, spent the night with it, and drove it this morning. It's still a good sound system. I'm not sitting there, oh my god, I need the Bose. And I'm a bit of a, what do they call it, audiophile, where sound systems is a huge part. I mean, I ordered my Hellcat with the Harman Kardon because I want a good sound system. It's good. As from a factory standpoint, it's a good sound system. Obviously you want the Bose, step up to Essential. And you have LUXE Essential Sensory. So people are going to complain about CVTs. That's just the way it is. I think with the variable compression turbo and the CVT made it together, this is a good combo. Very good combo. Power delivery is just, when I first drove one of these in a QX50, I was like, the way this puts power down is impressive. It's all just right there. Don't have to dig for power, it's just good. For once, I'm saying the CVT fits this car. Like the Maxima needs a dual clutch or a torque converter. This is, nope, it's fine. For a bit of a sportier drive, you just go ahead, move the shifter down into manual mode, and you can use the paddles behind the wheel. I will say when you use manual mode and you keep the RPMs lower, the turbo makes really good noises. In terms of platform and handling, it's gonna grab the inside brake on corners. And obviously I haven't pushed, it's a brand new car. I don't sit there and push it to the limits. But once you start picking speed up, you can feel it. I will say first, CVT, these paddles, they're actually pretty good. Most CVTs, the paddles are a joke. And this one is not the case. It actually changes the experience for the better. Alright, QX55. How do I like it? I do. Plain and simple. I've spent a good amount of time in them now. I've driven brand new QX50s home. I've driven 55s. I've driven certified pre-owned 55s, certified pre-owned QX50s. There is a big difference when you live with this car. It feels sportier. Everything is just a bit more on edge for the compared to the QX50, and when you drive them back to back, you can 100% feel it. So what does that mean in the long run? Well, it means that if you are an enthusiast like me, this is just gonna add that little bit more fun touch to your daily commute. It's just gonna make it a little bit more fun. And I think this, compared to the QX50, is the enthusiast choice. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. See you all in the next one.